This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first step is to launch the calendar app. Then you gotta select the date of your event. Tap at this plus icon, choose an event option from this small list, and then add all the details you want. You can edit the event's title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, invite some people, add the link to the video conference, set location, set up your reminding or notifying preferences, pick the color for this event to have, write a brief description or attach file. Then once everything is set, you can just hit the save button and here's your event. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.